A homemade facial moisturizer is a treat that you can give to your skin. Without the harsh chemicals and additives found in store-bought products, you have less chance of experiencing a negative reaction, because you know exactly what you are putting on your skin. Using natural ingredients found in your fridge or pantry, you can wash away dead cells, nourish the pores and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. 1. Honey. Honey has been used to nourish hair and skin for centuries. It is a humectant, which means that it attracts and retains moisture from the atmosphere. Additionally, honey contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which gently exfoliate the skin to give it a younger, more vibrant look. For a healthy glow, try combining 2 tablespoons honey with 2 teaspoons milk. Smooth it on your face for 10 minutes. 2. Avocados. Avocados contain more than 25 essential nutrients and vitamins, as well as proteins and oils, which replenish the skin and leave it feeling smooth and clean. The potassium content in avocados ensures that its moisturizing oils quickly and evenly infiltrate the skin. In fact, avocados have 60% more potassium than bananas. To receive the moisturizing benefits from avocados, simply mash one up and spread on your face. Leave for 15 minutes. 3. Oatmeal. In addition to being a highly nutritious breakfast cereal, oatmeal is used in many beauty products because of its softening, anti-inflammatory properties. Oats are high in amino acids, which help keep the skin hydrated, and are hypoallergenic, so they can be used on sensitive skins. To create a mask, mix 3/4 cup dry oatmeal with 1/3 cup warm water, apply and relax until the oats are dry. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil can be used to achieve a smooth complexion and maintain skin elasticity. It contains antioxidants, such as vitamin A and E, which repair cells that have been damaged by environmental hazards. Rubbing olive oil on your skin every night will help protect your skin and keep moisture locked under the surface. You can also create an exfoliant by mixing it with sea salt and rubbing it over your face to remove dead skin cells.